Have you ever wondered how computers see and interpret images, how they manage to understand and make sense of the visual data that we as humans process so effortlessly every day? It's not magic, but rather a fascinating field called computer vision. This field is a blend of computer science, artificial intelligence, and neuroscience, aiming to give machines the ability to see, identify, and process images in the same way that human vision does. At its heart lies image segmentation, a fundamental task that involves dividing an image into meaningful regions or objects. This process is akin to how our brains break down visual information into understandable parts, allowing us to recognize and interact with the world around us. Imagine teaching a machine to distinguish between a cat and a dog in a photo. This might seem simple to us, but for a computer it requires a complex understanding of shapes, colors, textures, and patterns. Or consider the medical field, where distinguishing a tumor from healthy tissue in a medical scan can be a matter of life and death. Image segmentation helps in highlighting these critical differences, aiding doctors in making accurate diagnoses. That's the power of image segmentation. It transforms raw visual data into structured information, making it easier for machines to understand and act upon. Image segmentation underpins numerous applications we interact with daily. From the facial recognition systems in our smartphones to the photo tagging features on social media, it plays a crucial role in enhancing our digital experiences. In the realm of autonomous vehicles, image segmentation is vital. Self-driving cars rely on this technology to navigate roads, recognize traffic signs, and avoid obstacles, ensuring safe and efficient travel. In healthcare, medical imaging powered by image segmentation aids in disease diagnosis, treatment planning, and monitoring. It helps in identifying abnormalities, measuring organ sizes, and even guiding surgical procedures. By enabling computers to understand the constituent parts of an image, we open doors to a world of possibilities. This capability is not just limited to recognizing objects, but extends to understanding scenes, predicting actions, and even generating new images. This essay delves into the captivating realm of image segmentation. We will uncover the techniques and technologies that make it possible and explore the myriad ways it is transforming industries and our daily lives. We'll explore its fundamental techniques, from basic edge detection, which involves identifying the boundaries within an image, to more advanced methods that can distinguish between overlapping objects and complex textures, to cutting-edge deep learning algorithms. These algorithms, inspired by the human brain, use vast amounts of data to learn and improve their accuracy over time. They are capable of performing intricate tasks, such as semantic segmentation, where each pixel in an image is classified into a category. Whether you're a curious beginner, eager to understand the basics of how machines interpret images, or seeking a deeper understanding of the sophisticated algorithms driving this technology, join us on this journey to unravel the secrets behind this transformative technology. We'll provide insights, examples, and practical applications to help you grasp the full scope of image segmentation. Get ready to be amazed by the power of image segmentation and its potential to reshape our world. From enhancing our daily tech interactions to revolutionizing industries, its impact is far-reaching and profound. As we embark on this exploration, prepare to witness how computers are learning to see and comprehend the visual world like never before. The future of image segmentation is bright, and its applications are only limited by our imagination. Let's dive in and discover the incredible journey of teaching machines to see. Before we dive into complex segmentation algorithms, let's start with the basics. Understanding the foundational elements of image processing is crucial for anyone looking to delve deeper into the field of computer vision. Imagine trying to understand a drawing by only looking at its individual dots. Each dot on its own doesn't convey much information, but together they form a coherent image. It would be challenging, right? This is similar to how computers initially perceive images, just a collection of pixels without any inherent meaning. That's where point, line, and edge detection come in. These techniques help in transforming raw pixel data into meaningful structures that can be analyzed and understood. They are the fundamental building blocks of image understanding. Without these basic techniques, higher-level image analysis would be nearly impossible. Point detection is like finding the tiniest specks of interest in an image. These points are often the most significant features, such as corners or isolated spots that stand out from their surroundings. These points often represent corners, intersections, or isolated features. Identifying these key points is the first step in understanding the overall structure of the image. Line detection takes it a step further, connecting these points to form lines, revealing the image's structure. Lines can represent edges of objects, boundaries, or any linear features within the image. Edge detection, however, is the real game changer. It goes beyond just points and lines to identify the boundaries between different regions in an image. It identifies the boundaries between different regions in an image. These boundaries are crucial for distinguishing one object from another and understanding the overall composition of the scene. Think of it as outlining the edges of objects or areas where color or texture changes abruptly. This helps in isolating different elements within the image, making it easier to analyze and interpret. These edges provide crucial information for higher-level image analysis, paving the way for more sophisticated segmentation techniques. By understanding where one object ends and another begins, we can start to make sense of complex scenes and perform tasks like object recognition, tracking, and even 3D reconstruction. In summary, point, line, and edge detection are not just basic techniques, they are the cornerstone of image processing. They enable us to transform raw pixel data into meaningful information, setting the stage for advanced computer vision applications. So, the next time you look at a complex image, remember the underlying processes that make it possible to understand and interpret what you see. These foundational techniques are what allow us to unlock the full potential of digital imagery. As we move forward, keep these basics in mind. They will serve as the building blocks for more advanced topics and techniques in the fascinating world of image processing and computer vision. Imagine converting a colorful photo into a simple black and white sketch. The vibrant hues and intricate details are reduced to mere shades of gray, and then further simplified into stark black and white. This transformation might seem drastic, but it serves a crucial purpose in the world of image processing. That's essentially what thresholding does in image processing. It takes a complex image and simplifies it by reducing the number of colors to just two, black and white. This process is not just about aesthetics. It's about making the image easier to analyze and interpret. It's a straightforward yet powerful technique used to segment images based on their pixel intensities. By doing so, it helps in isolating and identifying different regions within an image, making it easier to focus on specific areas of interest. In essence, thresholding involves selecting a threshold value. This value acts as a dividing line, determining which pixels will be classified as black and which will be classified as white. The choice of this threshold value is critical as it directly impacts the accuracy and effectiveness of the segmentation. Pixels with intensity values above this threshold are classified as belonging to one group, while those below fall into another. This binary classification simplifies the image, making it easier to analyze and interpret. This creates a binary image where each pixel is either black or white, representing the two segmented regions. The simplicity of a binary image allows for more efficient processing and analysis, especially in applications where speed and accuracy are paramount. Think of analyzing a satellite image of a forest fire. The original image might be cluttered with various colors and details, making it difficult to identify the burning areas. By setting a threshold based on temperature, we can easily distinguish the burning areas, hotter, hence brighter, from the surrounding vegetation. This not only helps in identifying the affected areas, but also aids in assessing the severity of the fire. This simple technique finds applications in various fields, from document analysis to medical imaging. In document analysis, thresholding can help in extracting text from scanned documents, making it easier to digitize and store information. In medical imaging, it can assist in identifying and isolating different tissues or abnormalities, aiding in diagnosis and treatment planning. The versatility of thresholding makes it an invaluable tool in the arsenal of image processing techniques. Whether it's simplifying complex images, enhancing important features, or aiding in critical analyses, thresholding continues to play a pivotal role in various technological and scientific advancements. As technology advances, the applications of thresholding are only expected to grow. From industrial automation to scientific research, the ability to quickly and accurately segment images will remain a cornerstone of image processing. So the next time you see a simple black and white image, remember the powerful technique behind its creation and the myriad of possibilities it unlocks. Imagine tracing the outline of objects in an image, like drawing their silhouettes. That's essentially what contour detection achieves. It's a powerful technique used to identify the boundaries or curves that define the shape of objects within an image. Contour detection algorithms work by detecting changes in pixel intensity or color gradients. They follow these changes, tracing a line along the boundary between different regions. This results in a set of connected points or curves that represent the contours of objects in the image. From recognizing handwritten characters to analyzing microscopic images in biology, contour detection plays a vital role in various applications. It's a fundamental tool for understanding the shape and structure of objects within images.